Laundry is a very mundane chore that most people have to do at some point in their lives. However, the trick is not doing it every day, as your clothes will start to look old and worn out if you do. With that said, it is a necessity that has to be done on a regular basis. Number 1. Avoid washing certain items together. Some items can have a negative effect on each other when they are washed together. For example, washing towels with other clothing items can cause the colors to bleed onto the towels. Number 2. Hang dry delicate items. Delicate items such as lingerie and hosiery should be hung up to dry instead of being dried in the dryer. Keep the delicate fibers in these items from getting damaged by the heat of the dryer. Number 3. Use baking soda on stains. If you notice a stain on your clothes before you do laundry, then try using baking soda on the stain. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that will help remove stains from your clothes without damaging them. Number 4. Turn your clothes inside out before washing them. This may seem like an odd suggestion, but turning your clothes inside out before washing them can help prevent damage to certain parts of your clothing during the wash cycle. Number 5. Avoid dry cleaning for dark clothes. Dry cleaning dark clothing can cause them to fade faster than if you were to wash them at home. That's 5 tips for today. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.